Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today's video is full of Valentine tier tray DIYs that I know you're gonna love, so stay tuned and see what I have in store for you. So for this project, I picked up a mason jar sign from the Dollar Tree. I've had this in my stash for a while because I am on a no spend challenge this month, so I'm using just stuff from my stash. But I picked this up at the Dollar Tree. I also had these in my stash. I believe all of these wooden hearts came from the Dollar Tree as well. I wanted to use these sparkly red ones, but I didn't have enough, so I just took those out and used the hot pink ones. And I'm just going to add them to the jar. So you can tell on the jar that there is an outline to show you where the jar would be. I want this project to look like it's holding the hearts, and so I'm stacking them on top of each other just like I would if I added them to an actual jar. Once I get them in place and I make sure that they are not on the outside of the lines, I'm just going to go ahead and hot glue them into the jar. This is super simple. We're just going to add a bow to the top of our jar to give it a little added cuteness. If this is the kind of project that you like, I make a lot of these projects on my channel, and I would love it if you subscribed. Check it out here and let me know what you think about this one. So for this project, I'm going to recycle this house that I used during Christmas time. I thought I would start out using the Antique Waverly wax. However, it didn't cover up my paint pen very well. I even gave it a couple coats, but it just wasn't going to cut it. So I went ahead and I switched to some folk art chalk paint. It does take like a couple coats to cover this up, but I finally get it to where I love the way it looks, and I did cover the entire house. So if you have projects that you want to kind of redo, or you're just kind of tired of the way that they look, don't be afraid to change it up. It's okay to reuse some of your projects as long as you can do what you want to do with them. I do that quite a bit on my channel just because, sometimes decor gets old. So then I had these cute little clothespins left over from a different project, and I really like teal. It's one of my favorite colors, and so I'm going to go ahead and glue that at the top of my house, and then I'm going to use another one of these cute little pink wooden hearts. I'm going to clip it on to the clothespin, and then that's it for this one. Let me know what you think about it. For this project, we're going to use one of these cutting boards from the Dollar Tree, and I covered it with my really light pink folk art chalk paint, and then I used these in a different video. If you didn't see that video, I'll link it at the end of this video and in my description box. But I absolutely love these stickers. They're new at the Dollar Tree this year. I picked them up in December, but they should be there now unless they have sold out. But I love these. The sticker says "We go together like," and this one is milk and cookies. So I want milk and cookies to kind of be the star here, so I'm just going to add some hearts around it just to fill up some of those blank spaces. And it is Valentine's, decor, so it's okay to add hearts everywhere. I just love these stickers. I think they're adorable. I originally picked them up to put in my planner, but then once I started looking at them, I'm like, they're too cute to just hide in my planner, even though I get a lot of fun out of my planner. But once I get all the stickers on, I'm going to go ahead and add my shabby bow at the top. I'm using just some pink and white ribbon that I had on hand. I'm just going to hot glue it there, and then here it is styled for you guys. Let me know what you think about this one. So for this project, I had some of these wooden blocks left over. These actually came from Hobby Lobby, but the Dollar Tree has sold these wooden blocks before. I'm using my stickers again, and this time I'm going to go ahead and put a sticker on each side of the block. I try to make them a little different as I go around and assemble these, just because it's fun to stack these in your tiered tray. You can change them around. If you have kids like I do, sometimes they go and just touch the decorations or move the decorations. So these are one of those fun ones that they can move around and change it to look like whatever they want. I had to make sure that my stickers actually fit on the wooden block. Like this one didn't quite fit, and I thought, well, I could trim it, but I didn't want to trim off the cherry because that's kind of the point of the sundae. So I just went around and picked some of the like smaller ones. These are little heart cookies, if you can't tell that. And then I just, of course, had to add a bee because bees are like one of my favorite things. I love doing bee decor. Let me know down in the comments if you're into bee decor and if you want to see a bee decor video for this year. But I'm just going to go ahead, add my last couple stickers, and that is it for this project. It's super easy. Kids could help you with this one as well. And these stickers are so fun. They will absolutely love this project. Let me know what you guys think about this one. So I don't know if you're a Walmart craft shopper, but I picked up these tags at Walmart several years ago. They've just been in my stash, but they are a really great size for what we're going to use them for today. We're going to be making a beaded garland, and I think they were like 99 cents each. So they are a pretty good deal. I'm just going to go ahead and add a couple more of my stickers. I couldn't get enough of these stickers. I just think they're adorable. If you don't like the stickers or you can't find them, you can definitely use other stickers. You could use stencils. You could use vinyl here too as well if you would like to do that. But we're just going to hot glue them together so it looks like they're just one tag sitting on top of another. These beads came from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to cut this beaded garland in half because I don't want that quite a long of a beaded garland for my tiered tray. I have a kind of small tiered tray today that I'm using to decorate with. So once I get those colored, I put them with the really light pink color. I didn't like it, so I added just a little bit more darker paint. I put mine in a Ziploc bag and just kind of moved it around and then let it dry. Then I'm going to attach my tags with some twine just to the end of my beaded garland, and then I'm going to add another little shabby bow with my pink and white ribbon, which complements our stickers. And then here it is styled for you guys. I really love this one. It was a toss-up between this one and the first one, but let me know what you think about this one. For this project, we're going to take one of those grapevine hearts from the Dollar Tree and some pit berries. These also came from the Dollar Tree in a garland. All I'm going to do is wrap it around my heart, and then I'm going to add my heart to this little tobacco basket. I always say that wrong. I've said Tabasco basket several times, which I know is not correct. So we're going to add it to the tobacco basket, and I'm just going to use the pit berries to tie it onto the top of my basket. That way I can remove this and use it again for another project. But this is super simple. Let me know what you think about this one. Here's a look at my tray all together. I didn't give you a video, just a picture, but I absolutely love how these projects turned out, and they look super cute on my white tray. If you want some more inspiration, check out this video next where I use those same stickers, and as always, wherever you are in your journey is a perfect place to start, and I will see you in my next video. Bye friends!